Well, as soon as I got done with this last video, sure enough, lightning starts perking up like you wouldn't believe. So, now that I have it on, it's probably not going to perk up no more. But, we'll give her a shot. Oh, I turned the wrong way. So we'll just keep it right here where all the action is. Sorry about the wind, y'all.
I'm gonna laugh if it's over here now.
Wow, that wind's kicking up now.
Ooh.
Yeah. Come on. As soon as I shut it off.
Here, I'll reach all the way up here. See if it will do any good stuff.
Oh my
Ooh,
gosh.
there we go.
Yes, that was good.
There we go. Get some more here.
Not even maybe a half hour ago it rained and only traces of the rain. There's only puddles.
Oh, she's not turning it away.
I'm going to turn it this way just a little bit because there's been some lightning coming from the right.
Oh, this one.
There's lightning over here. And I hear a helicopter. Hopefully they're safe. Felt a few sprinkles now, so I'm not going to be able to stay out too long. People setting off fireworks. Just because we got a little bit of rain, they think it's safe. Well, y'all, this is what we got. Hope you enjoy them. Ooh. And hopefully y'all stay safe wherever you're all at. We'll stay safe.
Oh,
It's
you
too
just
bad.
missed a very good one.
Yeah. And we're going to bring it back over this way. Ooh, see, that was pretty. But it's getting closer and closer and closer, and they're saying this one's supposed to be a doozy. So, later, y'all.